so I actually like legitimately just recorded an entire fucking an entire 30-minute video without a microphone somehow. So, all right. Look, guys, I'm sorry. I'm gonna make this really. This is a fast one. I don't have time to do this shit today. To do fucking 600 videos because I got shit to do. I have work. I've been at the river all fucking weekend, and I'm really pissed off because I covered a lot of shit. At least all my charts are fixed. So, all right, let's make this really fast. Okay, let's start with ES, guys. ES doing a pretty nice job of following along with my double here to the upside. We could expect similar results out of NQ and RTY eventually. Had a nice bounce zone. Kind of predicted this bounce zone a while back. I like this number. They're really protecting this number to the downside here around 3660. So we'll just leave this as a nice bounce zone. I think we're going to get a secondary bounce over here before we get another push to the top side. Okay, easy enough. For now, not longing this still because we're in a bearish sequence, in my opinion, still to this time. So I've got a nice short coming up between 4028 and 4100. Looking at closing that short around 3733, maybe a little sooner to 3800 before we have another play to the upside, where we can then catch a much larger short on a bigger time frame to the downside, hopefully completing somewhere around 3200, 3250 range. Anything lower, I'm going to get a little concerned with ES, not going to lie. So for now, this is my ES update. NQ looking at a very similar situation in a lot of ways. Going to get another little push to the upside here. This should actually be like out here because we have a WXY, yes, but we're probably going to be doing one of these guys, just like in ES. So, going to be looking at a short. We're going to catch a short, probably find a bounce here before the connector X, before we get another push to the top side there. I don't know why this is 2px. It should be 1. There we go. That makes things a little bit better, easier for me, right? And on the Russell, short-term Russell, looking at something very similar. Russell is really wanting to bounce and do a lot of this craziness a little bit sooner, but hey, that's okay. So, lots of corrective structures here, guys. Lots and lots of corrective structures. So, we could be making one of these on the Russell. I don't like this short box. I don't even know why it's there. Oh yeah, that was the green WXY. But the orange one ends up here. So we're gonna just extend the green one up in that direction. That's why you see my little drawing here. I have a feeling that this is kind of what we're gonna do. We're gonna get up above here and we're gonna chop it out, and then we're gonna reach one time here, reject down, but eventually making a larger WXY correction. And I'll fix these later at another time. I don't feel like doing it right now. So, what does that do for us? USDX. Okay, so this is important right now. USDX making a correction to the downside. Big slide. We're gonna have a nice little corrective wave up here, probably today and tomorrow. We'll fight through this. This is gonna take, I'd say 2 days, and then for the rest of the week, we're gonna see decline. What does that do for cryptos? Well, we're sitting in a larger corrective sequence on the cryptos right now. And what, in my opinion, it's going to do is we're going to just do the exact opposite. When USDX slid, we saw a nice increase here. We're gonna have a little correction down here to correct this move to the upside while USDX, corrects to the upside. And then when USDX drops for the final C leg, we're going to get a nice push out of cryptos. The extension zone here is 24,842. The equal leg is 23,707, but I do not think we're going to stop at an equal leg. There's a lot of liquidity up higher than that, and I believe the market is going to take its liquidity. Be careful surprise here, in my opinion, guys, the surprise is if we break up, 25,400, basically 25,417, then we're going to challenge the 1.618. If we challenge this, we could easily start to try to reach up towards these big resistance zones that I have. I've had these charted for a long time. So we break up and out of this. The surprise is we go and test 29,536. Am I saying that we're that bullish? No, please don't take this shit and run away and twist the words out of context. The surprise is if we break up and out of this liquidity zone, we could go to challenge this. Okay. I don't think that we're going to do that. I feel pretty good about us rejecting in this zone here. Hence, I'm going to be calling a short pretty much from like this box, like right here. It's going to be a really tight short. Okay. It's going to be about $1,000 range that we're going to start layering our shorts at 5x. And we're going to throw a stop loss right up here above the 618. Okay. So I feel really good about the short. Ethereum. I'm okay on Ethereum a little bit, but it's very bullish right now. Okay, so you see the chart. I mean, could this be? Yeah, it could be like this too. I like this a little better, with one of these, right? Like flat corrections and shit. The surprise here on Ethereum is that instead of doing this, the extension ends up way up here. Okay. And we go and we challenge an invalidation level. Okay. That's the surprise. For now, just super bullish. Not calling a short here. It's just a zone I have. Same thing for Litecoin. Litecoin, I see a nice correction down, and then we're going to get bullish again on it. Purple is the invalidation zone there, 74.22. So, short term and long term on the Bitcoins, reaching for these initial zones that I called a long time ago. Just making this correction, working our way through here and getting to where we need to go. Nothing wrong with that. Okay. So, I made some bad calls during this correction. I got a little hasty and thinking we were complete and we weren't. So, all in all, guys, I'm sorry it's such a short, video. Maybe some of you guys like the shorter videos better. I literally just did a half an hour video rambling and there was no microphone. I am watching now, and there is a microphone registering, so you're going to hear my voice, I assure you. So I'll get this thing loaded up, guys. I'm sorry if I didn't really get to cover everything I wanted to, but I have shit to do. I have to go to work soon. I got a lot of clients that I have put off for a couple of days to go to the river. So we're going to go handle business. Just want to get this out here for you guys first. So anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support, guys. We're going to make some trades this week, and we're all going to make some money back after the shit play that I made the other day. We will get our profits back in order, and we'll push this thing through. So peace, love, chicken grease, guys.